I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select Action CompanyHub. Give here the subdomain and API key. So please visit the CompanyHub subdomain and API key. Generate API key. Give here a meaningful name. Done. Copy the API key and subdomain. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the CompanyHub site and contact. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the CompanyHub site. Thanks for watching.